Okay, let's do an example question. The chance I pass a slow car on my way home this afternoon is 0.8. So based on today's trip, so we know that we need to, let's cover up the fact that it's a Bernoulli question. We've got to identify this as a Bernoulli situation. So part of our solution will be to identify it. So let's just go two outcome probability. And there's going to be a success or a failure. There's only going to be one trial. Therefore, Bernoulli. Okay, so my expected value of x is just p, which is 0.8. The variance of my x will be p1 minus p, which will be 0.8 times 0.2 equals 0.16. And my standard deviation of x will be square root of, that was messy, which is the square root of 0.16, which is 0.4. Which is 0.4. So really basic. These rules aren't necessarily in your formula sheet, but you know them. You just need to validate and justify using them by identifying them as a Bernoulli situation. Identify it, do it, easy. In a Bernoulli situation, so it's a given, in a Bernoulli situation, the standard deviation is that. Determine the probability of success. So we will not need to find P. Need to find P. Let's interpret that hint there. Let's just go P is greater than Q. So that means success. You're more likely to have success than failure, so P is bigger than Q. Let's just see how we go. We've got a rule, standard deviation of x equals, so that means my standard deviation, I guess I could put 0.3789 equals root. So that means my variation, calculator, 0.14356, etc., etc. We also know that the variance of x is p, 1 minus p, so therefore we can go 0.143565 equals p. And let's just put that into and solve. Let's see how we go here. Clearly you're going to put the x as a parameter. Now you're going to get two values. So p equals 0.1737 or 0.8262. So you can now understand this hint up here. I'm more likely to have success and failure. Therefore, probability of success is 0.8262. Wow, that's messy. 0.8262. Okay, Bernoulli, sort of simple, but it can still be complicated. So please do some work and do lots of questions.